Everyone, it's me Ice, and today I am having a little bit of a Sephora haul slash trying new makeup from a brand called Rose Inc. Rose Inc. is from Rose Huntington Whiteley. She is a former Victoria's Secret model, and now she is the I guess the owner of this brand, Rose Inc. I have a few items from the line. I'm wearing it right now, and guys, I am really in love. The benefits of the products is actually really good for your skin, and guys, I'm glowing. I'm literally glowing, and I really like this. It's so minimal. It doesn't take, oh, you know me, I'm heavy-handed. I love makeup, but this is nice for day to day, and I'm gonna keep wearing this, but we'll get into that in just a second. First, I want to talk about some of the stuff I ordered. I have 3 things here. One is from The Ordinary, Kayali, and Peace Out brand. They're patches that you put, it's like an anti-aging patch, so you put it like on your forehead, your laugh lines, you know, maybe up here like crow's feet. But I purchased this because I personally don't like my laugh lines, and I want to reduce it. So it's like micro needling. You keep it on for like, I think they said like all night, which I'm gonna do. You know how I am with eye patches. I use the whole thing until it falls off. So I'm gonna be using this. So I heard a lot of good things. I'm a fan of their, you know, pimple patches. Their dark mark ones, I still need to work on that. I'm not too sure because mine's kind of fade quickly, I'd say. But yeah, these are really, I will be testing these. Next product I have is from The Ordinary. It's their organic rose oil, 100% organic cold pressed rose hip oil. I wanted to get this because I ran out of oil and I needed something. I usually use Kiehl's, but I was like, I want to try something new, and this is only $10, and it comes with the, ooh, look at that. Yeah, I'm excited to use it. I just need some new rose hip oil. So I heard good things from this, and it's organic and natural, and I like that. So it's only 10 bucks. It's affordable, and I will be using this in my nighttime routine. Before I get into Rose Inc., I got the Kayali Vanilla fragrance, which was in store, and there was only 2 left by the time I arrived. This is, I actually wanted to get the red cherry one that they just released. I actually have a sample of it, like I sprayed it. It is beautiful. Guys, it smells so good. I wish, you know what, I saw the reviews and they were like no, listen to me. It smells really good, and it smells very sweet like candy. It would be a nice summer fragrance, I'd say, or like a date with your, you know, boyfriend or husband. It's a very sweet smell, but it's like candy, but it's really pretty. I don't know what people are talking about. Why are they having these weird things? No, trust me, it smells delicious. And there's a sample bottle you could spray, see if it's for you. I liked it. I wanted a little tiny version of it like this one, but it's sold out. There's only 2 vanillas left, as you can see here, so I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, this is the vanilla 28, sold out online. But if you're lucky, they're only keeping the small ones. They're not doing big bottles. So here it is, vanilla 28. I'm gonna spritz some right now. Let that sit. It smells like, I'm gonna let that sit for a while. Already from here, it's very strong. It's like a nice vanilla. I could definitely see myself mixing this. It's like a sophisticated type of vanilla. This is definitely something you can mix with the other Kayali fragrances. Very elegant. It's vanilla, but very classy. It's a yes. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm mixing this. Or you could wear it alone. But this one, I'm definitely gonna mix this. I was thinking probably the Elixir 11 because at first I didn't like it. It was a bit too strong, but then I got used to it. You gotta give it time. You have to give these fragrances time. You have to test it out. Give it like a week and a half, 2 weeks. and get a feel for it. Never, I made a big mistake. Do not judge fragrances on the first try, because I remember the Dior fragrance. I'll link it here what it was. I smelled it like a while back and I was like, this is gross. Coming back to it now, I really like it. It is beautiful. My sister actually bought the bottle. The Dior fragrance is top tier, beautiful, you know, very classy, just luxury. It's beautiful. I judge too fast, but yeah, the Kayali Vanilla is a yes for me, but I see it as something you can mix it with, and I will be doing that in a separate video. So now we're gonna talk about the 6 items I bought from the Rose Inc line. Kind of like the whole line, but not really, because I didn't need a brow comb. I didn't need a lip balm. Like I have those already. You guys know we already have those. But the first product I got was their Rose Inc Soft Light Luminous Hydrating Concealer. It is a corrector that helps brighten, blurs, and contour while finishing the skin. This long-wearing liquid formula minimizes the look of fine lines, redness, and discoloration for an even complexion that glows from within. The guy who helped me, named Tony, helped me apply it under my eye, like a good amount. I don't think I needed, I mean, he put the right amount, like right over here, and I think it's beautiful. I still think you could see me, you could still see my skin, but it's like a good, because I did have some bags in my eye, but it covered it up nicely. I like it. I could still see myself, and it's really pretty, and I like that. And I put a little bit on my nose because of that dot, but I like my dot. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's the concealer he put on, and it brightens up a bit, so it is pretty. So it's a yes for me. And next from the line, I got blushes. I got a refill and the actual blush. The 2 shades I got were Foxglove and Dahlia, which I will show you. Dahlia right here, and you just flip it like that, and it's right here. It's a creamy consistency, which I will show you. See right there. This could be used for your lips and your eyelids. I put some on my lips and it was so gorgeous, and you could put it up here. They put a little bit on my cheek right here. And this is a refill. This is Foxglove, like a nice coral shade. The refill's 18 and I believe the blush is 32. So you could still keep this and add that on when you're done, or if you're traveling, you could swatch. And you just poke a hole here and it will fall out. I really like this line. They're very sustainable. They care about the environment, and the ingredients are top tier. So I'm just so in love with this look. It's so refreshing, and you could still see, because I know I get a little heavy-handed with my makeup because I love makeup, but this is just lovely. It's so pretty. You could still see me, and you guys, I'm really loving it. I got some hydration here too from the line, so get ready. The next product I have from Rose Inc is their Radiant Reveal Brightening Serum. This is something you use to prep your skin before the makeup. A powerful hydrating serum that instantly brightens the complexion with visible radiance. Because true luminosity comes from within, this serum reveals a healthy looking skin without clogging pores. Next product that I have in my hand is the Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum. A hydrating serum foundation that delivers light coverage while helping to refresh skin after exposure to pollution, which I'm wearing on my skin right now. The final product that I have is from Rose Inc is the Hydration Replenish Micro-Encapsulated Moisturizer. This is something you apply before your makeup, obviously, and it can be used as skincare too, which is awesome. Cream gel hybrid that nourishes and softens while strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. And I applied this today on before I put on the foundation there. I put this on, and I'll show you what it is. So it looks like this. The guy who helped me said this type of jar here, this product, should be in the range of like La Mer and like all the higher end brands. But he said this is a good value. This was $68. But guys, I'm glowing. I'm literally glowing. this is amazing. Like I love what it has done to my face. I feel like I could still see my skin. It's just enhancing my features, and it's not too much. It's just right. And I feel like a lady. Like I am a lady, but I feel like a grown lady. This is really beautiful, you guys. I can't even describe. I wasn't expecting this, by the way. I was just shopping, and look at what's inside. Hopefully it'll sell. Yeah, there you go. You have these little little beads here. I see myself applying this before my makeup. I never really put moisturizer before my makeup. I never tried it because I don't like to look dewy. But when it comes to rose ink, I don't know, I definitely see myself doing that. It's just, I don't know, all the products together, it just makes you look like yourself and just more enhanced and more just gorgeous. Okay, you guys, that is everything that I purchased today. And again, next video I definitely will do a tutorial on wearing rose ink. Hope you enjoyed this mini quick Sephora haul, and I hope you're all doing well, and I will definitely see you in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.